Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to install current version of Visual Studio Code on a Windows machine. Let's dive in. First, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type VS Code and press enter. The official website is code.visualstudio.com and click on it. Now that the website is open, you will see the current version displayed. Here, you will find options for Windows, Linux and macOS. Click one for the Windows and now the download will begin. Wait until the download is complete. Once the VS Code setup file is downloaded, right-click and select Open or simply double-click to begin installation. Now, minimize the web browser. The setup will start it. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next again. On the next screen, it will ask if you want to create a Start menu folder. Click Next. If you want a desktop icon, check the box that says Create a desktop icon. Then click Next again. Now click Install. The installation will begin. Give it a few minutes. Once it is done, you will see a message saying Setup has finished. Click Finish to launch Visual Studio Code. Wonderful! Now let's minimize the VS Code application and install Flask. Go to Start menu, type CMD and open the command prompt. Type the following command and hit the enter. Pip install Flask. This will install Flask globally on your system. Later in this course, we'll also explore how to use a virtual environment. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message saying successfully installed Flask and other packages. Now we are ready to go. Let's make sure everything works properly. Open VS Code and create a new file called app.py. Paste the following code into it and save. Now go to terminal in VS Code and click New Terminal. You can open different type of terminal here such as PowerShell or command prompt. I'm going to open command prompt and type Python space app.py. Now open your browser and go to the IP address shown in the terminal. You should see Hello World. Wonderful! You now have Python, Visual Studio Code and Flask all installed. In the next video, we'll explore how Flask works under the hood.